be your normal video. They and I are out on vacation, and I know you guys come here to see how we are decorating our home. But in addition to home decor, I am a lover of culture and travel and all of those good things. So anytime we travel, we like to stay in fun, unique spaces. So I thought because we're on vacation, it'd be fun to share with you a behind the scenes look of how we live when we actually travel and hit the road. So today we're in Placencia, Belize, and we're staying at the Naia Resort Spa, and you are in for a treat because we are absolutely in love with our beachside studio. What would we call this? I don't know if we call it an apartment, but maybe a beach house. And there's so much fun here to share. In addition to where we're living, I think later on this week we're going to give you a quick tour of the property so you can see all of the amenities here. I absolutely love finding sweet finds, and this is an absolute piece of paradise here in South Belize, so I wanted to share it with you. If you've never met me before, my name is Kim Whitaker. I'm a wife, I'm a mom of 4 amazing tiny little humans. You can find out all about me and my family if you follow us over on the Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, all of those places. But if you're into the type of thing where you like to see how people decorate their homes and see about their life and travel experiences, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you like what you see today, please give it a big thumbs up, turn on that bell notification so you never miss an upload for the channel. But outside of that, that's enough rambling. Let's hop into today's video. So here we are, guys. We are inside of our, I think this is the studio beachside beach house. So Tim and I are traveling alone. This is kind of a couples trip, and I think that if you are traveling with your significant other, or if you have a family, that this resort will serve your needs. Tim and I are celebrating his 40th birthday, so I decided to do something a little bit more on the sweeter side. And when I found out about the resort, they were so excited to host us. But I definitely think if you're coming here, this is like for the slow life. So this is not for you if you're looking for a whole lot of nightlife and stuff like that. The south side of Belize, where we are here on the Placencia Peninsula, is really about connecting with nature, connecting with yourself and with whomever else you're traveling with. So it's not going to give you that kind of party life that you're looking for, but you can absolutely come here, slow down, relax, enjoy everything that the peninsula has to offer, and it's reflected in the room. So when you first walk into the room, even in this studio space, if you'll notice, the bedroom is directly as you enter into the room, or the bed, I'm sorry. So you have a nice king size bed here with 2 nightstands. But what really struck me when I walked in was the attention to detail in the room. So if you look up, you've got the raised ceilings that have the, what's the word I'm looking for? And where the beams, with the wood ceiling, you know, and there's really a nod to the Mayan culture. So the Mayan culture is really big here in this part of Belize, and you see that in the artifacts that they've chosen for the decor and for the textiles and stuff that they have in the room. So you also have over here, it's great lighting. You may not be able to tell as far as lighting is concerned because we're using GoPro, but you've got 2 windows at the front part of the room, as well as 2 double doors that open up completely. Again, this is really about connecting with nature. So even in the wet room, y'all, they paid attention to the details because you've got this amazing window that looks out into like this patio type situation, but that's not a patio. I'll show you what that is in just a second. All of your windows, they do have air conditioning, but if you wanted to prop open your windows, you can for fresh air. I thought that was really, really cool. But even in the wet room, like we ain't here with the toilet, y'all, and you see how big this space is. Tim and I are both in here comfortably. Like, it has quite a bit to offer. So, in addition to that, you've got your spa-like tub and shower. You'll have to excuse us. We have been here for a day or so, so our toiletries are in there. But this is absolutely amazing. That also comes with the window. You can open that up and slide that over. And I know some people are kind of freaked out by this window. It's taken a little bit for us to get accustomed to, but everything in here, like, it really makes you feel like even while you're in the bathroom, you're experiencing the spa. So like, we go to the spa tomorrow for 4 hours, and this is reminiscent of what you would get when you get to the spa. You know, you've got your private rooms, you know, you're open to the green space. It just is meant to relax, and this space definitely does that, especially at night. We'll get some B-roll at night so you can see what it looks like. But this is probably one of my favorite parts. This is probably the sexiest part of the room, especially if you were with making sure that you don't track sand into the house and stuff like that. Or if you just want to come outside and take an outside shower. You have your own outside shower. So what we thought was a patio turned out to be an outside shower that is literally the sexiest thing alive. Like, you know, it's open and you can see over it, but nobody can see in. But this place, when it's lit at night, it's like a little sanctuary. So if you wanted to come out and do like an outside shower, if you've been spending some time on the beach and you want to come and rinse off, or you just want to have some quality time with yourself or your significant other, you have a private place to do so out here. And this is really, really nice. So this has been one of our favorite spots to kind of enjoy. We haven't taken a shower yet, but the plan is to be able to utilize this space out there. It's definitely a part of what caught our eye about the space. So yeah, I mean, I'll put the square footage. I'm not exactly sure what the square footage is of the space, but I'll put it down in the comment the description area. But again, if you are looking for a nice little getaway where you can slow down, you don't have to have the pressure of doing a whole lot, and you like to be in your room. So that's another thing. Oh, you know what? In addition to that, I'm gonna show you outside. Now, don't judge us. We have a few shoes on the floor. We're gonna try to ignore those as best as possible. But you've got this big, pretty patio-like area in front of the room that you can enjoy as well. So here you've got a full covered patio, and they will actually bring a hammock here if you wanted to hang out. So I may have them bring a hammock here tonight. We'll just do dinner here in the room. But basically, you've got a seating area with chairs for however many people are gonna be with you. And you've got a whole area over here that they're willing to come and set up a hammock for you to enjoy. And this really just feels like a little home away from home. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's tour. We absolutely loved our stay. So huge shout out to Naia Resort and Spa for hosting us and being such amazing hosts. I'm gonna leave some details down below. I think they have a summer special right now. When we were talking to the people that work out in Belize, they were saying that I think the best time to go if you don't want to deal with rain, because it was a little rainy while we were there, is to go between like November and May. But even though we had rain, it would rain a little bit and then it would stop. So it wasn't a huge deterrent from us enjoying our stay. And the accommodations are absolutely amazing. Everybody at the resort loves what they do, or seems to love what they do. They specialize in catering to you and making you feel like you are absolutely special. And the room is amazing. So be sure to check down in the description if you plan on making a visit, and be sure to let them know I sent you.